Have you ever wished that you can change something that you did in the back, just like hitting this delete button and start over? And I wish I could edit my life like I can edit a video on the timeline. But unfortunately, we cannot do that. That's why I'm always wondering what's going to happen next. And I bet you are too. Who knows? The past is still here in the present, and we are still bringing that same picture to the future. We are worried, we fear, we think too much. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's figure out what's the future holds together. I was born the same day Vincent van Gogh was born, March 30, 140 years apart. And I love to express my emotion through art, for sure. But I have no idea why I was born for. Do you know why you're here? As a human, subscribe and please comment what you were born for, just for fun. It should be something that you can nerd about because that's so you. That little voice need to be heard a little more. Try to isolate your thought, your surrounding, your time for yourself. Oh no, be careful, because most of the time, those voices around you will make your dream smaller every day, from comments from the world, your friends, co-workers, and your family. What the fuck? Should you listen to your voice? Think about it. But make sure you do something about it to prove them. Proof by the word of mouth, the currency, or the number. Your thoughts and your words are not equal as your action, and your action will get the reaction. That's karma. Karma is the only thing I believe, and I believe in the act of actions. It doesn't mean you do something good and you will get something good. It doesn't mean you do something bad and you will get something bad. But eventually, time will fly something and connect something, and then you will get that reaction from your reaction. If you do something good will come back eventually. But if you do something totally bad, something bad will come back eventually. And if you do a lot of good things, you probably will end up in a good situation, right? Easy math. And I found what I love through tons of works. In episode 1, I talk about my vast love of music, which carried my brain to work in Thailand for an acoustic concert, and came back to work with Kanye West in 2020. What the hell? I later found out that editing is music and is a pattern of sound to convey an emotion. To understand more about sound, you need to know the professional. So one day, I met Boo Quincy. He is a fantastic Thai music producer from Lomita, and I learned a lot from him, enough to make a better editing. And I saw his monitor. He got a lot of waveform going on his Ableton, and it looked like my Premiere Pro without picture, and it clicked. I know how to edit a music video. I'm gonna give you the best advice for an editor or someone who wants to create a music video. If you look at the waveform and you can see that spike is called transient, and if you match that in the cut, you got the match cut with the sound, and when the sound match the visual, it's very powerful. Match with the transient throughout the whole song, you get a music video. Since then, I applied that little skill for music to editing, and after working with Kanye West, I always got a job as a music video editor or commercial video editor. However, that's different from my dream to be an editor. I still don't know my why. I don't know why am I doing. Is it for money, like everyone wants? Is it for fame? Is it for a car? Is it for love? Is it love? Maybe. And I must admit that I lost my point as a filmmaker. I was hungry for success. I was hungry for a better situation in life. I was hungry for creating opportunity for my people. And after a while working as a freelancer, I found my why. We had an LSD. Didn't know why I was born for. It opened the door for me to understand my potential. I will help the community with my filming knowledge, music, art, and a little bit touch of Buddhism so people can digest and relate it. Because I enjoy supporting people. It doesn't mean I'm enlightened and I don't need anything. Of course, I need those cash, I need those likes, those subscribers, whatever to make me to be in a better situation. And one day, above financial freedom. At the same time, I have to meet my American dreams expectation for me and my family. To see a better world, that's why I do this shit for free. You should be able to get some shit done and improve your filmmaking skill in 7 days. But it's no guarantee that you can even live until that day. Nothing is permanent. But why don't you do your best now? Make yourself proud. I'm so proud when people love my editing or my music. I have never taken a class about those topics. I just want to learn and got those shit done. Those amazing ideas, those shitty ideas, but it was done. Even though it doesn't look amazing when you look back, but it was superb when you were doing it, you were creating it. It's amazing. Yeah, when you do a lot, you will master whether it's a bad habit or valuable skills. Choose wisely. Listening to your voice with a good purpose. It will help you to act on something unique. Maybe you are the best in front of the camera and connecting people, or you have some skill behind the camera and lighting, or Superman power to do a lot of editing all night. Brushes are waiting for you to be found with the time that needed to be filled, because you're an artist. Nobody do the job perfect at the first time. Nobody fry the perfect egg at the first time. Nobody walk perfect at the first time. So give it some time to start and improve. Finding life purpose from following your little voice, it will give your life a good run. I have run into great opportunity from love of music. I grew from those adrenaline rush moments. And most importantly, I enjoy the process more than the outcome. No matter what happened in the past, what is holding the future, you should focus on the present, like editing on your timeline. Well, when you find your tools to get the work done, ensure there are a community of people using them. For instance, Adobe Premiere Pro always update and fix problem. When the problem occurs, you can look up and there are answers most of the time. A study online on YouTube from theory to stylized editing and effects. Adobe family give me a wide range of tools because I use Premiere Pro, Audition, Lightroom, Illustrator, Photoshop, After Effects, fonts, and many more. It has been amazing for my career. Always worth every penny I pay for. As we end this journey together, I want to leave you with a final thought. I hope you will take a moment to listen to that small, quiet voice inside of you. The one that knows your true desire, your passion, your unique purpose in this world. The world is waiting for you to be your true self, to share your gift and talent with many authors. And to make a difference, I believe in you. I believe in you and your ability to make a big impact to the world. So, go out there, be the best version of yourself. The world is waiting for you. พบเลยฉันคำหวานหันหูมาดีทีหันตูดให้แดดดูหันหูมาดีดูหันตูดให้แดดทีหันนี้หรือหันไหนหันไหนหรือให้ล้ำหรือน้ำไหลลาลาลาลาลา